Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. (15 and 29) in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. (9, 6, 8) in exact order. Sa 6D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 3, 7, 2, 7, 4, and 5 in exact order, with a first prize of 2,144,311 pesos and 36 centavos. Sa Lotto 642, ang winning numbers ay 27, 22, 24, 8, 28, and 9 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 12,318,333 pesos. Sa Grand Lotto 655, ang winning numbers ay 3, 51, 1, 11, 16, and 10 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 252,844,192 pesos and 80 centavos. At abangan natin bukas ang Ultra Lotto 658 na may estimated jackpot of more than 124 million. Maraming salamat. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.